Summer's coming to an end. We're about to get into fall and winter. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stay busy, keep your revenue up in these upcoming cold months. So first things first, full transparency, my business is located in Alabama, so it does not get super cold here. Our rule is if it gets below 40 degrees, we don't detail. And we're going to have some days where it does drop below 40, but overall, we still operate with 2 to 3 detailers, whether some of them go part-time or whatever, all the way throughout the winter. So full transparency, we don't run into this problem very often, but I do know some detailers who are located up north, and I can tell you what they do. But if you're located in the south, let's say probably like Tennessee and below, business as usual. The same marketing will work year round. So there's no reason to panic or expect a dip in business in the winter. If you keep out marketing your competitors, you will still have the same business. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's like Google Business Profile, keep getting reviews on that, optimizing it. Facebook ad campaigns, Google ad campaigns, even door-to-door flyers, like all that kind of stuff still works. But if you're looking at it up north, I've got a few different options that could be solutions for you to keep your revenue up in the winter. First of all, I know some guys who just focus on interior onlys. Up north, they do a lot of road salt and sand and stuff like that. A lot of people don't worry about the outside of their vehicle because it'll freeze if you wash it, but they just focus on interior only. So you put together some kind of interior detail package for the winter. You go out there and just do interiors. That's one option, and you can do a lot more volume that way because they don't take as long. Another thing is you could do another package before the winter, like right around now, for ceramic coatings, and call it some kind of winter prep package where you're getting ready for the winter. So let's protect your vehicle now before it gets the salt on there. And that you can sell ceramic coatings with that kind of hook on it. Next, other than focusing on interiors, you can use the customer's garage. Now, this is pretty case-by-case basis. You have to check with the customer if they have a garage. But if they do, perfect. Pull the car out, wash it, pull it back in, do everything inside, and you can still get jobs done that way. The other option is to rent a garage. Now, a few different options. You can get a really small, kind of like just warehouse, one bay garage kind of thing. Not super expensive. There's some that will even rent month to month. They're pretty rare, but you could, kind of negotiate the lease, maybe just do a year or just do 6 months or whatever, or partner with somebody who already has a warehouse where you can just use, a part of their indoor area. Or if you have a garage at your personal house, you could use that as well, turn it into a little garage during the winter and use that to detail as well. So you've got a few different options. You got to get creative. If it gets super cold where you're at, you can't detail outside. You got to get creative with your solutions and find an indoor space to use. You could even try like a storage unit place. I know some of them have rules against it. There's some mom and pop ones that you might be able to negotiate with where you'll need to bring water and power most likely. So if your rig has water and power on it, you just pull it inside the parking garage, do everything in there, probably pull it out to wash it, pull it back in to do everything inside. But you could use something like that as well. But one of the biggest things, and we do it too, even though it doesn't get cold, to just keep your revenue up is gift cards. Now, this is going to be more like get money now, do the work later. But if you're not selling gift cards, you are leaving a ton of money on the table, especially for Black Friday and Christmas. I'm going to be doing a huge video breakdown training series on our gift card strategy. Last year alone, we did about $20,000 in just gift cards. Now, about half of that has been used. So some people just are never going to use the gift card. They get a gift and just forget about it. So sometimes it's just free money. Most of the time, we're still doing gift cards from like years ago, like now. So you are going to have to do the job for free later, but you already got paid for it. But how we do our gift card campaign is we always run a deal for Black Friday and Christmas. It'll be about a week out. So a week before Black Friday, we launch it. A week before Christmas, maybe 2 weeks before Christmas, and kind of spread it out a little bit. We'll do it in Christmas again. But basically the premise of it is put together a package. It's about $400, $500. It's normally a more protective detail, something where you put on a sealant instead of just a normal wax, or you put a interior stain protectant on all the interior like plastics, leather, carpets, all that kind of stuff. Make it more valuable of a detail, maybe include a clay bar, stuff that doesn't take too much time to add on, but increases the value of the package. And then you're going to give everybody, 50% off or 40% off, a big discount, just to entice them to buy right now. It's not going to take you any or much more time to get done. but people love a discount. They will jump on that like crazy. And I'll show you here. So you can see here we did about almost 6,000 in November, about 14,000 in January or in December. So basically almost $20,000 in just gift cards. You can see we get a trickle throughout the year, just having gift cards on our website for miscellaneous gifts and stuff. But it's a super, super powerful campaign we run. And these 2 months were just this one campaign we run for Black Friday and Christmas. And then we send out reminders every day or two with different kind of urgency or scarcity tactics to get people to buy. And a ton of people will buy on that last day, like on Black Friday or the day before Black Friday, or like 2 days before Christmas when they're like last second gift they need a gift for their dad or mom or whatever, or wife. This is, an easy gift for people because everybody likes to have their car professionally cleaned. They just don't want to pay for it. So it's a great gift. So if you're not adding gift cards to what you sell, especially during the holiday season, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table. Now this works best when you have a contact list to send it out to. So if you don't have like a contact list or a CRM where you can send out texts, we have one, Detail Wizard CRM. It's included in our ceramic coating package, our system. So if you need that, you can join us. We'll run all the ads for you. But you also get these gift card campaigns included just as a bonus as well. Or you can build it out yourself. It's really not that complicated of a campaign, but super, super powerful. This is the number one thing that will drive revenue for every detailer across the country is sending out gift card sale campaigns during Black Friday and Christmas. Again, I'm going to be doing a big video breakdown about this strategy probably in October or maybe early November, just to prep for that season. And then that'll be way more in depth on actually like what to say and when to say it. But yeah, if you have any video ideas, leave them in the comments below so I can, give y'all more information of exactly what you guys want to hear about. If you want to join Detail Wizard to have us run all your ads, follow-up campaigns, nurture campaigns, we make your ad. You don't do anything except for pick up the phone and book customers into your calendar. Go to the link below, get the Coding Profit Playbook. It's a little mini course, and I'll talk to you guys later.